Welcome back, players. Today is the conclusion of my Southern Front 5 video series. As the day turns into evening, it's my job to harass the UFS players to keep them on their toes and away from the command points. With a little bit of patience and a lot of stealth, I find myself in a power spot, one of my favorite on the entire map.
In there, cheap mod. Dead.
Hit! Oh, y'all lucky motherfucker! Hook me up, man.
Searching. Searching you.
Damn.
Searching you.
I got nothing, dude.
Alright.
Yeah.
Well, come up with something. Take off your shoes.
I can give you a hug.
Take off your shoes.
Ah, nigga, this ain't prison, man. Damn.
Well, players, that's going to do it from Southern Front 5. If you want to check out the other videos from this series, make sure you click the link on the screen. And make sure you're subscribed to the channel so you don't miss any of my other Airsoft adventures.